What I have gathered in today's film festival is that it really sparked the inner filmmaker in me, because there are times in when it comes to filmmaking, it's also part on being an artist. You sometimes get burned out. You sometimes get stumble down into some things. It really depends on what circumstances you are. But with this film festival, when I usually go to film festivals, it reignites me into the passion I want to be, or like the passion I want to show into the world of the truth. That's how it really sparked me into who I am now. My message to the organizers, especially the people that have invited me, it was really a good experience and also an opportunity for me to, also especially the last film, grabe, it was really great. Nakakawaw. And yun na nga, it was satisfying, and sana ma-continue din yung mga ganito mga bagay, yung mga ganito mga film festivals, because I know that Iliganon talent has so much more when it comes to filmmaking, and that's why there's also one thing put sa kuapod na I really advocate for Iliganon talent when it comes to filmmaking. So that's why I'm here to also help put sa akong mga kauban sa youth in order to create films that are for the people and not just for me.